Alright, I've got this Bayliner 5 litre. If you remember from my last video, we put new electronic ignition in the Dizzy, etc. Got it fired up. It's been running nice, probably 2 seasons. I did do a new alternator that packed it in, but other than that, been running nice. But lately it's stalling as you put it into gear, so we're going to have a look at that. I reckon I'm just going to go straight for the carburetor, pull that apart, have a bit of a look in there. I'll just start it up and I'll show you what it does. Yeah, so it's pretty much as soon as I put it into gear, I've got the neutral thing on now because it's out of the water, obviously, but it just hits a dead spot. See that? And the only way to get through it, and obviously when you're in the water it starts jerking around and you take off, you've got to sort of get past that bit. But yeah, it's got that big flat spot there, see that? Yeah, when you're in the water you can imagine trying to keep it running and you're doing monos pretty much. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull the carby down. I'm gonna start there. I don't know if it is the carby, but we'll just start there and see what happens. So yeah, I'll get that done and we'll come back to it. Alright, so I've pulled the carburetor completely out of the boat. I already split this. You just got to be careful with the gaskets. This had a new kit through it. Yeah, so 2 years ago. So everything should be pretty good. Just needs a clean. Yeah, there is some, can't really see, but in the bottom of that petrol fuel there's a lot of crappy stuff in the bottom. You just sort of see it. We go in a bit, see all that sort of discoloured stuff. That's all loose stuff. So it's probably sucked up a bit of stuff in the top of these jet things. Looks a little bit corrody, and yeah, it's pretty dirty in there. So yeah, I might unscrew this thing, I'll tip all this out, clean it up, unscrew what I can. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Alright, so I've pulled this little part out. I was calling it a jet or whatever it was. I'm not big on terminology. It's a bit of the boat, yeah. Anyway, it does have all the, whatever they are, jets and stuff. I've done heaps of carbies. Motorbikes are the worst. Dirt bike sits around for a couple of years and then you try and get it running, and yeah, you've always got to pull the carby out. And it's normally little things like this. In the bike ones, they screw out, and yeah, you clean them out, poke holes, and off you go. They're like new. So I'm hoping that's all this is. You can see they get holes, the 4 pins there. We've got holes, except for the far right one, that's blocked. So that's already a sign that it's going to improve. That's what you hope for. You hope to find something blocked or something dirt in it, and then you know, okay, well, this is definitely worth pulling apart. Even these, you know, look a bit rusty and corroded. I'm sure they're meant to be nice, so I'm going to try and clean them up. I'll soak it all, toothbrush, in some fuel, carby cleaner, whatever. I reckon it's going to make a difference. Hopefully that was the whole problem. Alright, I'll get to it. Okay, I'm happy with that. It's come up good. Can't really see, but I got a fair bit of gunk out of it. I blew air through every little hole, and these tip cleaners, handy little things. Poked them through a few holes. I've got 4, if you can see it, got those 4 are all open, nice. They all blow through, and there's lots of tiny little holes here and there. They're all clear, so I'm going to reassemble. I'll bolt it on and I'll see you guys at the starting stage. Alright, here we go. Carby's back on. I'm pretty happy. Everything looks good. I've pumped fuel up. Carby's full, ready to go. I'll try Just let it warm up a bit. It's got the auto choke on that one. Let it do its thing. I'll just let that idle a bit, we'll come back. Alright, it's been running a little bit. We'll give it a bit of juice. See what happens. We'll hold that thing in. Just ease it on. Now I wouldn't do this before if you tried to ease that. Look at that. I could never do that before, to just stall. And when you back it off, oh yeah. It feels nice. Pull it straight into neutral to near stall then as well. Oh, here, I can use my foot. There we go. So we'll do it again. Nice ease on. Hardly hear the motor there, but yeah, that's beautiful. I'm happy with that. Alright, problem solved. So most of it was just that little jet body thing I took out. It had the that one block side. That was really the only block I could see. I did blow everything else out and clean everything, so yeah. Anyway, good result. See how it goes. I'm going to take it for a burn tomorrow. See you later.